Hello my viewers, this is spices. I'm adding the spices to boil along with water, and I'm gonna put 2 lemon green leaves and then bay leaves, and I will polish this one. Jump. So this is the rice, basmati rice for June 1 that I'm gonna put inside this boiling water along with the spices that I have. Boil this water and we will just steam for a few minutes, and after that we'll take out this one. Now look, थोड़ा ऐसा करो ना और उसको 2 minutes जैसा steam करो. This is, I have already given hours and hours already given inside water. Close the lid. So this is the side dishes. Onion ito biryani lagi na kawal mampal, cucumber, tomato, onion, and lettuce. Ito si. Ito the koto moshe to ina rice moam. The basmati rice steam go na lagi ado. Na thaliyo de. Now biryani has turned out into that way. Bishi balro ulai shi de. बहुत अच्छा से biryani का निकल गया. This is called chicken biryani. Look at this. Serve 1 spoon. Ajla biryani na banashe. Abnyan sabke mula video side. Thanks for watching.